Hello friends, मेरा नाम राम है and welcome to all of you. So in this video we will discuss on some important questions. So our first question is, who has been appointed as the mentor of Lucknow IPL team? So options are, so first option Gautam Gambhir, Yuvraj Singh, Suresh Raina and Rishabh Pant. So Lucknow is the capital city of UP. So answer for this question is appointed as a Gautam Gambhir IPL mentor of mentor. So answer is Gautam Gambhir. So next one, the India's first international arbitration and meditation center, so IAMC, has been inaugurated in. So options are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So this inauguration is done by Telangana. So answer is Telangana. So next one, Garbiel Boric farmer students activist elected as the youngest president of which country? So options are, so Chile, Peru, Argentina and Bolivia. So he youngest one president is the Chile. So option A is the answer. So next one, Uttarakhand has appointed a which cricketer to state brand ambassador? So everyone knows Rishabh Pant. So answer is Rishabh Pant. So next one, who has been awarded the Golden Peacock Environmental Management Award in 2021? So options are Amway, Sail, Accenture and Gale. So answer is Sail. So Sail is the appointed, the answer is Sail. Next one, who has won the title of Beat the Female Debut of Para Olympic Award? So option is Avani Lekhara. So Avani Lekhara is the female debut of Para Olympic Award in 2021. So answer is Avani Lekhara. So most important question. So remember this. So next one, who has launched the national inauguration song composed by NCC candidates? So options are Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh and Anurag Thakur. So NCC cadets are launched by Rajnath Singh. So answer is Rajnath Singh. He is the defense minister. So next one, who has been the first Indian male shuttler to win silver in BWF World Championship? So he is none other than Srikanth. So Kidambi Srikanth. So option A is the answer. Kidambi Srikanth. So next one, in which state has devised the 25 years action plan and set a goal to zero dropouts? So Punjab, Jharkhand, Tripura and Chhattisgarh. So this goal is inaugurated by Tripura. Tripura is a northeastern state. So if it is a India, the Tripura is northeastern state. So this is the northeastern state, seven sister we call her. So answer is Tripura. So next one, in which country's footballer Sergio Aguero has announced his retirement? In which country? So answer is, so options are C, France, Brazil, Argentina, none of these. So answer is Argentina. He belongs to Argentina country. So next one, who has been appointed as the president of Indian Newspaper Society? So answer is Mohit Jain. So Mohit Jain is appointed as the Indian Newspaper Society. So next one. So our 12th question is, which person popularly known as Metro Man of retired from active politician? So answer is E. Sridharan. E. Sridharan is the answer. So next one. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Hyundai Motors Indian Limited? So HMIL Managing Director. So answer is Unso Kim. So Unso Kim is the new director for HMIL. So next one. In which bank has been fined 1.8 crores by RBI? So RBI, the answer is Punjab Bank. So Punjab Bank fined the 1.8 crores rupees. So answer is PNB. Next one. 15th question. What is the term of 2020 Good Governance Week? So answer is Prasanna Gona ki Aur. Prashashan Gona ki Aur. So that's all for today, friends. We will meet on next video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.